Good morning, MSL Nation. Well, a good start to the day. I've been doing some reorganizing in here, and you know, there's just not enough space, so you got to kind of tuck everything in wherever you can find a spot, and maybe use temporary storage during the day, and the stuff comes out at night. It's difficult, but at least I can get around in here a little better now, and I feel good about that.
MSL Nation! Fred Spencer in the house! Where I'm going I don't know. Hope it's warm and sunny. Hope there's lots of money and lots of friends. Rains all night, sun's all day. Everybody likes to play.
Been a cool rainy day so far. However, I think the rain is slowing down now. Hoping to go for a walk very soon, and I'm hoping to get Ryan to go look at a truck that he's interested in. So we'll see what happens there. Bit of a cooler day. Just had a shower, but I've got to get out and have a walk. I've been working on my bookkeeping. My head is going nuts with books, and I gotta clear it. I'm walking down a quiet country road in Naramata, and I've got the world to myself, it feels like. And it's the air is nice and fresh and clean because of the shower, and everything's turning green. Looks really great. I'm so glad to get out for a walk. Just a quiet little country spot. Lilacs in bloom. Everywhere I look, the world is just turned into a beautiful place. And look at this. A moose antler. Wonder how it got there. Did the moose drop it there, or did somebody put it there? This is my world this morning. What do you do on a rainy day?
Cards.
Well, the weather has improved fairly dramatically, not 100%, but it's dried out and everything's looking a lot nicer. And we're in Penticton. The Nude Beach, yeah, we're at 3 Mile Beach. And what do you think this gazebo is all about? Just people on the beach, I guess. So we're coming into bustling downtown Naramata. Naramata's not a very big place, and it has a very small downtown. Heritage Inn and Spa. Just leaving Naramata. Spent a great 3 days there with Ryan. Really enjoyed his hospitality. And I'm heading for Penticton. Maybe in a couple of days, if I'm lucky, I'm off to Nelson via OK Falls, Oliver, Asuyus, Midway, Rock Creek, Grand Forks, Christina Lake. Been cool the last couple of days. Snow has come back to our hills. Gonna be nice though. From about tomorrow on, it's gonna be in the 20s. It's Sunday evening and I'm having a walk. It's dark. I'm parked not too far from here. Walking through the Apple Plaza in Penticton right now. I see a couple of the stores are closed up and available for lease. So I suppose that's an indication that the economy here is a little bit weak. But nice looking little plaza anyway. I'm feeling a little lonely. I'm on my own. And I'm going to be off to Nelson in a couple of days, so I'm looking forward to that. I've got family over there, gonna visit, and it'll be a good trip. Nice to get on my way. Hope everything goes well. Starship Betty seems to be running well, so hopefully that will be alright. That concludes my vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment below. I always like to read your comments and I respond to as many as I can. Please like my video, please share it, and if you're new to my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.
MSL Nation! Fred Spencer in the house! Where I'm going I don't know. Hope it's warm and sunny. Hope there's lots of money and lots of friends. Rains all night, suns all day. Everybody likes to play. Hope I have lots of friends, lots of girls and some men. Hope I have lots of money. Hope I have nice and sunny. Sitting on a beach somewhere. Starship Betty will take me there. It's my strange life. Take a ride with me. My strange life. Never know what you see. He's the king of rock, the king of roll, the best you've ever seen. Come and see Fred on YouTube with Smell Fishy and Nadine. If you need a movie made, Fred won't take trash, cash for pay. He'll make sure all the birds are fed with his awesome homemade bread. It's my strange life. Take a ride with me. Kick it in my trailer with my warm boots on. When it gets too cold, then I add my long johns. My strange life. Never know what you see. When me head out of bed, him like to look me best with me pants and me shirt and me jacket and vest. My strange life. Take a ride with me. Got myself a bike, but me no like to ride. It take too much room, so me leave it outside. My strange life. Never know what you see. Me got me some Wi-Fi, me can stay in the loop. Me toilet done broke, me got nowhere to poop. My me, cause I'll never be a hater. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.